Looking for a place to unwind and enjoy nature and that you don't have to travel that far? Join me as I tour you around BANTUG Lake Ranch in Barangay Alangilan, Bacolod City. BANTUG Lake Ranch is a 7-hectare resort nestled on an elevated terrain east of Bacolod City. A liberating escape from the hustle-bustle of city life. BANTUG Lake Ranch also features a restaurant, outdoor swimming pool, a garden, and horseback riding experience.